Today we are going to understand some common ear problems that affect hearing. Our ears are incredible organs responsible for our sense of hearing and balance. But like any part of our body, they're susceptible to various problems. So let's dive in and explore these common ear problems and their impact on our hearing. Ear infections or otitis media are incredibly common, especially among children. They happen when fluid builds up in the middle ear, often due to a cold, allergies, or a respiratory infection. Most ear infections clear up with antibiotics or simply time, and hearing usually returns to normal. Now let's talk about earwax. It's a natural way your ear protects itself from dirt and debris. But sometimes earwax can build up and harden, forming a blockage in the ear canal. Never try to remove earwax with cotton swabs because it can push it further. Instead, consult a doctor or a hearing professional who can safely remove the blockage. Have you ever experienced a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in your ears, even when there's no external noise? That's called tinnitus. If you're experiencing tinnitus, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any serious underlying causes and explore management strategies. As we age, it's natural for our hearing to gradually decline. This age-related hearing loss is called presbycusis, and it's incredibly common. You might notice it becoming harder to hear high-pitched sounds or to follow conversations in noisy environments. While we can't stop the aging process, there are ways to manage presbycusis and maintain a good quality of life. Our ears are sensitive instruments, and prolonged exposure to loud noises can take a toll on our hearing. This is known as noise-induced hearing loss, and it can happen gradually over time or suddenly after a loud event, like a concert or an explosion. Think of it like this. Imagine constantly shouting at the top of your lungs. The same thing can happen to those delicate hair cells in your inner ear when they're bombarded with loud noise. Ever been on an airplane and felt that uncomfortable pressure in your ears during takeoff or landing? That's your eustachian tubes working to equalize the pressure. But sometimes these tubes can become blocked or malfunction, leading to a condition called eustachian tube dysfunction. It's often associated with allergies, colds, or sinus infections. Otosclerosis is a less common ear problem, but it's one that's important to know about. It's a condition where an abnormal bone growth develops in the middle ear, typically around the stapes bone. As this bone growth continues, it can interfere with the stapes' ability to move freely, leading to conductive hearing loss. This means that sound isn't being conducted efficiently